Good to see Lamarr Wilson here. Back for another video on this. This is why they shouldn't send me stuff or bring it to me. So this, got it, is the Xbox One S Digital Edition, just announced a few minutes ago if you're watching this video right away. And since most of y'all don't, it was announced probably 3 days ago. So Jeff Rubenstein, one of the heads of Xbox, came to my house here in Los Angeles. He flew in on this thing called an airplane. Brought this to my house on Friday. It was like, if you tell anybody, I'm gonna take away your Xboxes. I was like, no! Xbox One S Digital Edition. This is a 1 terabyte edition. $249 is gonna be the price. You may be asking, well, who is this for, Lamarr? I already have an Xbox. Is this gonna replace the one I have? And my answer to you is, no! This is for a different audience. If you already have an Xbox One X, Xbox One S, this is not for you. This will not replace or is better necessarily than what you already have. This is for that person that lives the digital life. They want to save some money and they don't use disc. They don't like disc. Maybe they're a PC gamer who does never uses disc. Maybe you're a single guy like me who has an Xbox One X in his living room, but in his bedroom where it's lonely and there's nothing else to do in there because nobody comes over. I haven't had a date in so Also announced with this is an Xbox like Game Pass premium thing. I'm sure it's called something else. Game Pass normally $9.99, so they'll add gold with it. They'll $5, they'll be like $14.99, 15 bucks, and you get both and you save on the gold, obviously, if you do it that way. And that might be a good deal for someone who buys this. Again, oh, this is light. This unboxing is gonna be kind of generic because it looks just like an Xbox One S. There is literally no difference except there is no disk drive. I don't see one. See, all the ports in the back are the same. So this starts selling in May, I believe it's May 7th. And here's what's cool, before I show you the controller, because you know I love controllers. So they give you Forza Horizon 3, which I definitely question when the guy was there, like, Forza Horizon 3? But the reason is Forza Horizon 3 is not on Game Pass. You get Minecraft right away. That is on Game Pass, but what if you don't want Game Pass? This is a kind of a good offer you get. And you get Sea of Thieves. It looks like they give you a code for... Excuse me, look, I got a code. Oh, you get 1 month free gold. Okay, cool. And sorry if I didn't show the box. Here is the box and how it looks. There you go. And it has the black on the top. Okay. So the batteries comes with an HDMI cable and somewhere is the power. Okay, yeah, and the power cable. So some other things to tell you about this. This performs just like any other one. They didn't change the chips or anything. This isn't an enhanced edition that has some extra Bluetooth features or anything. This is an Xbox One S, just $50 cheaper because it doesn't put the disk drive in it. Again, for people who want that. Okay, we're in my very sad and lonely bedroom, and there's the Xbox. It is being set up. I put this right here just to let you all know this exists. So let's say this has 1 terabyte. Let's say you have a bunch of games you want to download and you're running out of space. Well, you can remove the games, right? And they'll be on Xbox Cloud forever. Or you could buy one of these external drives. I believe this was about 99 bucks. I have to check, but this is a 4 terabyte drive. I'm never going to run out of space. And if you do, well, this has another port in the back and another port in the front, so you can have up to 3 of these if you want to. Okay, it's now about to do an update. I am set up, so let's go ahead and start that update. You will have to do this when you get a new one. 3.6 gigabytes remaining. Okay, so while we're waiting, let me just show you. Okay, so that's my side of the bed, and if you notice, I have my charger and HomePod and wireless charger. On this side, I also have a wireless charger and a lamp, but it's empty because no one lives. All right, guys, and just like that, we are set up. My account is in there, ready to go. My profile, I can access my games and do all that, and it's all digital. Again, I put mine in the bedroom. You can put yours wherever you want. I think it's just a good secondary Xbox if you are a person that could do, I know this is first world, I get it, but like, if you can, this is my use case, at least. I'll put a link below if you want to start the pre-order process. All right, so the question of the day for this, are you in the market for an Xbox? And if so, would you get this? Is this a good offering for $249? Most likely gonna be cheaper during the holidays. You know that's gonna happen. Is this a better investment than paying $300 for the one with the disc? Or do you just have to have the disc? So let me know in the comments what you think of this, and if you will buy it, Guys, thanks for watching. Microsoft, thanks for coming to my house, breaking in and leaving us at a table and then running away. Oh, I'm just kidding. We had lunch, but still. But thank you, Jeff and Sean. I definitely have to thank Sean too. Like the video if you enjoyed this, and also on my Instagram, I post other things that don't fit necessarily on my YouTube channel. Or if you want to see my everyday life, follow me on Instagram. You'll get the other side of Lamarr. This is my presentation side, and the other side is way worse. All right, talk to you later. Bye. Hmm.